Hello everyone, Christmas is coming soon. Are you all ready for your Christmas tree? Today, we will show you how to design a Christmas star tree topper with ZW3D. Firstly, we need to draw a sketch that refers to the outline of the star. We can draw the pentagon as an auxiliary line. Then quickly draw 5 pointed stars by using its vertices. Use the power trim function to quickly delete the unwanted lines. Next, save it as a block, so in the future, we can reuse them directly. Now a point is needed. Use the loft function together with the point and the profile to generate the shape of the star. Then add the shell feature and use the mirror command to create the other side of the star. To make the star more vivid, we can add some decorative cutouts. Simply create a new sketch and directly insert the block that we saved previously. Here we have blocks of the moon, snow, and star. After we insert the blocks, we can adjust their size. Finally, we can add dimensions to locate them. Here is the output. Now we can use the outline to generate the hollow decoration. As we want to create the hollow decoration on all sides of the star, we will use the mirror and the pattern function for this task. The pattern function in ZW3D provides abundant types to meet users' various requirements. Now the star looks more delicate. We also need to add a loop for supporting the star on top of the Christmas tree. To design the loop, we need a spiral line, and ZW3D allows us to quickly draw the line. All we need to do is input the relevant parameter to define the helix, then it will generate it automatically. With the spiral line, we can use the sweep function to create the loop solid along it. Then, add a dome face to optimize the connection between the loop and the star. Now there are 3 separate entities. Let's combine them into a single solid. The star tree topper is now finished. Let's change its color to gold to make it look better. You can also pick whatever color you like for the star in ZW3D. That's it for designing a Christmas star tree topper in ZW3D. Go ahead and design your own Christmas decorations.